guys, I'm and welcome to the Hour Markers. I'm here with Sébastien, the co-founder and master watchmaker at Genus Watches. Bonjour Sébastien.
Bonjour.
Comment vas-tu?
Très bien, merci.
Oui, et c'est tout que je dis. Now we speak in English. So we have with us the GNS 1.2 that won at the GBAG 2019. So do you want to explain to us how it works?
Yes, it's the first watch. You have the hour, the 10 of minutes, and the unit minutes. It's 2 o'clock, and you follow the red element for the 10 of minutes. It's 2 o'clock and 10 minutes, 2 o'clock and 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes. It's 3 o'clock. Okay? It's a complication with 2 patterns, one for the orbital minutes and one for the peripheral hour. It's a gold movement with case gold. You have a movement manufacturer in rose gold. It's a manual movement with 50-hour reserve. You have the titanium case. It's a Damascus case. It's a new declination on the last layer. The same complication, the special blue decoration. You have 2 other declinations. It's pieces special with 1 diamond and sapphire. I love this declination with white gold case and rose gold movement. Okay, this is a dragon, the articulate dragon. It's a dragon in gold engraved, and the dragon circled in 1 hour with the same base of movement here in white gold with a special bubble glass.
Merci Sébastien, you lied to us, you speak very good English. At least your English is better than my French.
No.
C'est très bon. Is that right? Is that correct? So thank you so much and congratulations. The watches are beautiful and as you just mentioned, it's lovely on my wrist. So au revoir.